So rapid sketching animals. Okay, I do little slow.
Video is blur.
Video. Who says? No need to change, beta. It's absolutely fine. It's good going on. Uh, Brishti, if it is a blur, I hope that's some internet issue over there. You just leave and again join, beta. It is clear. Because others are it is clear, and for me also it is clear. I see others video.
Should I rejoin?
Yes, beta. Just rejoin. So make first circle. I tell you that circle practice first.
Should I rejoin?
Okay, beta. You already rejoined?
हाँ.
Okay. So now, after that, after the circle, you just make it one thing. Okay. Pragadish, you understood the circle, right? Draw the circle, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After circle, beta, just draw the line 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. We are making some 2-3 animals rapid sketch. So you guess what animal it is. Okay. What animal it is? Wolf, dog. Initially looks like this. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's that much is done. Basically, this animal's skull is the skull's like this. This is a long skull, right? See the long.
Is it a tiger?
Tiger is not that much long nose. It's very close to animals. Okay, so now if I hope that you can understand if I make it this very simple nose. Okay. Now
Is it a dog?
still not yet. You guess. Okay, I just make it eyes. Let's check. If I make its eyes, then you can understand maybe.
Sir, is it a bear?
Yes, that's a beer. Yes, yes. That's a beer. Yeah. So almost all animals know the same kind of, that's the reason I show you very, slowly. If you need time, you can tell sir, please wait. I can wait. Okay, don't worry. Don't be hesitation. Any drawing, if you need time, you just tell me, sir, please little wait. Okay, then I can wait. Sometime I forgot because this intermediate batch, is very smart. You are all very fast. Capture my style and all. I see Brishti, Behid, Rishika. I see this Shamnavi, Agni. All are very Kamya, Ranam. This is all is very nicely Behid. So that's the reason I just sometimes I'm little fast going, but okay. Here Shakti Karana and Pragadish is a new to join the new member, new friends of this batch.
Mota, I was Saturday by evening. I am visiting back. I have to go out today, so I'm joining.
Okay, you are Saturday evening batch, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Shatika. Okay. You are your sister you are joining, right, Shatika? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. My sister will join in the morning.
Okay, yes, yes.
Normally joins in the evening.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Ah, Shatika. You are planning to go outside, something like that. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Prakadesh, you understood now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Anywhere, any issue you can tell me, I can show you. Okay, beta? No hesitation.
Okay, sir.
That much. So, nose, eyes, and ear almost always the same position. Nose, eyes, and ear, the same position. So, you can create the. So, you can make feather like this.
Are you all my personal dreams? Everything you know is in your mind.
Okay, just little shading I add. You just add little shading. Take time, okay, beta? आराम से take time. We can make another one position of beer and one kid's beer here only. Okay, this is the beer page. Take time.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Make just add some shadings. Okay, so here the more two things I show. One is the kids, the same baby beer, but how looks when they are kids, innocent looks. Okay, so make for circle. So the understood the basic line. Basic line is that circle.
Are you all my personal dreams?
If you are comfort to understand the basic line, if you are draw basic line, it's very easy to draw full drawing. Okay, this is a basic line. The circle, this eyes line, this is nose line. Okay,
Everything
very
you know
simple.
is in your mind.
So naturally here one eyes, two eyes. So basic things now all is very simple. Nose, like this, so basic. Kids, no? This is kids. Nose, eyes, they are the same position. Nose, eyes, they are same position. So kids bear what call? Very famous name. Kids bear what call?
Are you all
Teddy bear, no? So make the basic shape. Like the basic shape first starts. Okay. This red color is the basic shape. If you
are you all my personal dream? Everything you know is in your mind.
now
Are you all my personal dream?
I just add few things. Suppose to eyes. Okay. Simple eyes. I doing the dark line of no. Like this. Okay. Oh. So cute how to create a cute baby. Take time, okay? You can do it.
Are you
Just
all my
need
personal
little patience. Slowly can do. The baby bear. Okay? বলি তোমার স্কুল কবে খুলছে? তোমার স্কুল?
Everything you know is in your mind.
হ্যাঁ? So Prakash, if you finish. Oh, nice, very good. Good, beta. It's 90% is okay. Some little few areas need to changes, but it's okay, fine. Okay, continue. The next tips, I just make it another one drawing here. There is some space.
Sir, I finished.
Wow, very nice. Pragadish, very good. Yeah, very good. Pragadish, 80% to 90% is correct. Okay, few areas need to little changes, but that's fine for now. So I drew one more drawing over here. So first basic shape. This is also beer, but the front is side face. I don't know this kind of face. Okay, this is baby and this is senior. So make it first circle. Circle is the easy way. The basic shapes are circle and then the eyes line. In top eyes line, see this eyes line to the top. Okay, so this is the nose line. Okay, basic circle, eyes line, nose line. Okay, so from the nose line I just create, see, I just create like this from the nose line. This is because there is the eyes, here is the eyes and here is the eyes. So this is nose line, this is nose line. Okay, very simple. Here I can make it nose,
Are you all my personal dream?
okay, this is another mouth, this is open mouth. See, this is the nose line, so here you can do like this little. Basic shapes done. Nose, eyes and ear the same position, so you can create some here, here. Okay. So how to draw the baby and senior character? Okay, it is.
Are you all my personal dream?
Okay, first make the basic red line. What I
আমাকে পিন্টু ফোন করেছিল
আমি আপনাকে পড়াটা দিয়ে দেব।
আচ্ছা।
নাকি নলহাটিতে থেকেছিল অশেষ মামারা
হ্যাঁ
পিন্টুটা ওখানে স্টে করে তারপরে এসে।
তারপরে এসছে, রাইট হ্যাঁ, আমাকেও বললো আশিস।
আরে রাঙামি তো আমাকে প্রচুর ফোন করেছে, কিন্তু আমি তো অফিসে তখন মানে আমার তো সেকেন্ড শিফট ছিল সেদিন।
আচ্ছা,
ব্ল্যাকলিস্ট করতে আমি তো এসে দেখছি যে এত ফোন, তখন বুঝেছি যে কিছু না কিছু একটা হয়ে গেছে। তবে বাবা বললো যে রাঙামা প্র্যাকটিস করে।
আচ্ছা, এবার ফোনটা দিই।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ,
ওপরে হাতটা ওঠো।
মায়ের কপালে দিলাম ফোঁটা, জমদুয়ারে পড়লো কাটা, যমুনা দেয় জমকে ফোঁটা, আমি দিই আমার ভাইকে ফোঁটা, কাটা যেন নড়ে না, ভাই যেন মরে না।
এটা ব্লক করে নিতে পারো বাবা, এটা স্পেশাল কিন্তু।
ভাইয়ের কপালে দিলাম ফোঁটা, জম দুয়ারে পড়লো কাটা, যমুনা যায় জমকে ফোঁটা, আমি দিই আমার ভাইকে ফোঁটা, কাটা যেন নড়ে না, ভাই যেন মরে না।
Are you working? I was in your mind.
ওটা ও ভাই কোথায় এখানে এরা
Yes.
এই যে মিষ্টি
তোমার থেকে আমাকে খেতে হবে তুমি
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
মিষ্টি অর্ডার করে পুরো একসাথে পাঠিয়ে দিতে হবে তারপরে তুমি খাবে না হলে এরকম ঠিক মানে কমপ্লিট হচ্ছে না ব্যাপারটা
আশীর্বাদ করি, সুখে শান্তিতে সংসার করো, ভালো থাকো।
পাটা
হ্যাঁ।
পাটা দেখা।
সামনে বছর যেন ওটা একভাবে দিতে পারি সব বাইরে।
একদম
হ্যাঁ।
একদম।
হ্যাঁ। ঠিক আছে, মেলটাকেও অনলাইনেই দিলাম, সবাইকেই অনলাইনে
আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা
খালি ছোট মামা এসছে, আমি ভিডিওটা অন করি।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা হাই হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ। এই ফোন ব্যাক করছি। বা ভালো লাগছে না ফোন এসে গেছে। আচ্ছা একাই এসছিস নাকি? বাহ
আমাকে সবাই ইউজ করে
বাহ বাহ বাহ। ওকে ওকে বাই 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 বাই। ওকে make it dark lines